Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to contact Uber Eats support. First, all you're gonna do is to type on the search bar the word Uber Eats support system. And now from here, they have different kind of support resources for Uber Eats. They have different kind of topics. They have account and payment, delivery and pickup basics, and report a map issue. Let's go with the delivery and pickup basics. Now from here, you can choose either data and privacy or brand health tracker questions. Gonna choose here on data and privacy. They also have 4 types: request a copy of your Uber data, what's in your Uber data download, law enforcement data request, and how Uber uses location informations. Just simply select a specific one, and you can just simply click on privacy overview or privacy notice. And then after that, they have the different kind of steps on how to solve your issues. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.